Good morning, students. I hope everybody is safe and fine at home. Yesterday we started with chapter 7, that is study of continents, South America. In that we covered introduction, location and political divisions. Today we will start with the physical features. South America can be divided into 5 main relief divisions from north to south of South America. First is the Western Mountains, we can call them Andes, the Western Coastal Strip, the Central Plains, the Eastern Highlands, and fifth, the islands. Today we will study about first two, that is the Western Mountain Andes and the Western Coastal Strip. Let's start with Western Mountains. Andes is the world's longest mountain system. We can also call it as Western Cordilleras, as Andes consist of two parallel mountain ranges, that is the western and eastern sides. Andes are 7,250 kilometers long from Isthmus of Panama in the north to Strait of Magellan in the south. Strait is water body which separates two land masses and join two large water bodies. It is completely opposite to isthmus. Its average height is 4,000 km above the sea level. Mount Aconcagua is the highest peak of Andes with the height of 6,000 kilometers. It is unbroken stretch of young fold mountain, means the mountain ranges are in continuation. They are not broken in between. They are continuously high mountain ranges from north to the south and towards the west of South America. Andes is a complex system of ranges, or we can say many different features are in between these ranges, like intermontane plateaus, small basins near about the lakes. So we can find different features in the Andes itself. There are also majestic volcanic ranges which increase the beauty of this area. Also, there are nearly 160 active volcanoes in Andes. Ojos del Salado in Argentina is the highest active volcano in the world. Cotopaxi and Chimborazo are also very famous active volcanoes of Andes. There are even many high plateaus, from which Bolivian is the highest plateaus, and Lake Titicaca is the highest lake on this plateau. The western slopes of Andes have very short streams, but the eastern slopes have many large streams which flows into the Amazon River. If we talk for the Pacific side or the western side of Andes, it is unstable or have many sudden earthquakes, as it's also come under the Pacific Ring of Fire. Next, let's study about the western coastal strip that is just near to the Andes, or it is in the west side of Andes. It is a narrow strip from Andes in the east to the Pacific Ocean in the west. In the south, there are many islands in the form of chain. As this region is in the east of Andes, so the humid air, or we can say the rain clouds, does not cross the mountains. So it does not rain in the western coastal area. So this area is the desert area, from which Atacama Desert is the driest desert of the world. As we have read that there are 160 active volcanoes in the Andes, so due to that, the earthquakes are very common in this region. This area is very rich in minerals but have a very less plantation, due to which there is very less population in this area. So this much for these two features. Next day we will study in next week. So till that, thank you.